Welcome back to the yard, Dad. It's been a while. I was just about to order some seed and some more pre-emergent. I was gonna make a video on it, and then this happened. Oh yeah. Yep. Here's the front. Looking nice and green. With some white on top of it. And same thing over here. The other front. This one's not looking as nice. Mountains. And yeah, it's been a while. Welcome back. It's the first snow, like real snow, that we've gotten all season. It was 56 degrees Fahrenheit the other day. I'm going to be ordering Kentucky bluegrass, midnight. Same one I did last season in the front, back, sides. And then I'm still deciding on another grass. Boom, snow, temperature drops. It's like a winter paradise outside. It looks like Christmas. So, definitely can't do anything right now, but next video, we will definitely be ordering some stuff. If you got any questions or anything like that, you know, feel free to hit me up. I'm looking at a couple different other grass seeds, most likely a turf type tall fescue. But if you have any suggestions, let me know. Just looking for something in my area. We're going to be doing something obviously a little bit different today. But all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get straight to work, and I'm going to take my shovel because I no longer own a snowblower. I returned it, used it once last season. Definitely didn't need it this season. Yeah, I'll just be using this little plastic shovel I've got. I cleared a path so that I could get, so people can deliver stuff, whatever, you know. It looks like a sidewalk in the front. I'll fix that a little bit later. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear off the side over here, and I'm going to make like a little trail along the side of the house, clear off the back patio. I'm going to make like a little, kind of like a trail around the backyard, just with the snow shovel, so that my son can, he's 2, he can enjoy his time in the snow back there, and maybe he'll help us. Who knows? But yeah, that's all I'm doing today. I'll just be doing a little snow shoveling, and then I'll wrap up the video. And yeah, hopefully it's always the last week of March up to like April 15th, April 16th is when I can really get out there with the mower. But we'll definitely be getting some pre-emergents down here very, very soon. Probably by the end of next month. But I'll bring another video up here, maybe 2 or 3 videos before the season kicks off. Hope everyone's doing good. Let me know how you're, what's going on in your area. Like, you still getting snow? You starting to see your grass turn green? My grass was turning green just a couple days ago. I wish I would have filmed it, but this is what we're gonna do. You can see sidewalk that we made for the garbage can and package delivery. Oh, nice. I'll be able to open my garage door. I was a little scared about that. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the back here, right here. We'll get this cleared out, but we're going to go to the other side of the gate, and we'll start the little trail course. I'm hoping maybe I can throw an RC crawler on it with my son, and so that we can sit inside. And whoa, that was dark real fast. We can run a little RC crawler back there. So I'll kind of make like a little path. Hopefully we'll be able to sit upstairs in my house, turn on the back lights, and just like run them, right? Because you can get that whole overhead view. But I don't know. We'll see what's up. Hopefully the snow is soft and dry. This first real snow. I have not touched a snow shovel the entire season, which is very odd. But it's not, because I do live in a very high elevation area. So yeah, well, let's go. Let's go. All right, well, that's pretty much it for back here. Yeah, the snow is super fluffy. But cleared this off. When I did, I'm gonna come back and cover any of the grass that's showing. But you just start here, come around, go past the apple tree and grab apple, and probably shape this a little bit more. It almost looks like a little igloo. Maybe I'll make it so you can drive through it. Yeah, I'll probably do something like that for him. He'll think that's cool. But you can go either direction from over here. You can go here and turn around, go this way, or you can go this way. Come up, curves around, go back this way, comes back to the main, this other side. But pretty cool. Get this covered. Now I'm gonna go shovel the front. All right, well, I think I got totally done with everything, pretty sure. Here's the front, as always. Right, but yeah, all I did was just went ahead and cleared out, not too much, and then you saw my little walk through the backyard. Go walk through real quick one more time. Start from here, from the gate. Yeah, and you can see, like I was telling you, this grass is green, super green underneath. It was starting to grow in some spots where we overseeded too. Come out to the course. Whole back patio is good. It'll be a few more weeks, about a month, and we'll actually be doing some stuff on the grass and on the yard. Everything looks great. Oh, here's a nice patch. You can see right here. See that? But yeah, I'm going to give it about a week. In about a week, I will start to order some stuff. I'll make a video of it, and I'll show you exactly what I'm getting. We're just basically, I've got nitrogen, and I've got some pre-emergent, but we'll see what's up. I'm gonna order some stuff. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the yard, Dan. It's good to see everyone. I can't wait for this one snow to go away. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.